Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your science class. In the previous online class, the discussion of all the question answers of chapter number 12, the solar system, is over. And today we are going to start a new chapter, which is the last chapter of your book. That is chapter number 13, Green and Clean Art, from Unit 6, Natural Resources. From the name of the chapter, we can say that in this chapter, we will learn about how to keep the art clean and green. Yes? Here, let us see what is given in Let's Learn About part. Importance of trees, our environment, biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, how we can save our environment. Okay, so all these main topics we will learn from this chapter. Now let us start today's class. Our art is home to plants, animals, and also human beings. Besides living things, many non-living things are found on the art. Some of these are air, water, mountains, soil, rocks, and clouds. So, the art is not only home to human beings or animals, it is also home to non-living things such as, right, air, water, all this. As because along with living things, non-living things are also found on art, right? Living things are what? Plants, animals, and human beings. And non-living things are soil, rock, air, water, all those. Yes? See. Now, we are going to learn about the importance of trees. Yes? Trees are useful to us in many ways, as because they give us fruits, vegetables, cereals, medicines, wood, paper, rubber, etc. They also give us oxygen to breathe. How do they give us oxygen? Plants give out oxygen as a byproduct, okay, as product of photosynthesis. So in this way, they take in carbon dioxide during daytime and give out oxygen. That oxygen is needed for breathing, right? The roots of trees hold the soil and prevent it from getting washed away by wind or water. And in this way, trees prevent soil erosion. But nowadays, human beings are cutting trees to create more land for increasing population, which shouldn't be done, right? As if we cut down the trees, then it will be harmful for all the living things. Also, trees are being cut to meet the demands of increasing population. Cutting down of trees in large numbers is known as deforestation. And as a result of deforestation, we are losing forest and wildlife. So here we have learned a new term, right? Deforestation. It is what? Cutting down of trees in large numbers is known as deforestation. And as a result of deforestation, we are losing forest, and along with that we are also losing wildlife, as because wild animals, they live in forest only, right? If the trees of the forest are being cut, then there will be no home to them. So we should not cut trees. We should avoid deforestation. Yes? Okay. Now, next, moving to how we can save trees. We should not cut trees. If we need to cut them for our use, we should plant more trees than we cut. Growing trees in large numbers is known as afforestation. So afforestation is opposite of deforestation. Deforestation, cutting down of trees, right? But afforestation, growing trees. Yes? Okay, suppose we have to cut one tree, then in place of that, we should plant 10 new plants. Okay, and in this way, the number of trees will be balanced. Yes, we should not waste paper, as because a lot of trees are cut down to make paper. We should use both sides of paper. Yes, now you got to know, right, why you shouldn't tear pages, as because to make paper, many trees are cut down. Yes, so to minimize that number, we should not waste paper. We should avoid using wood as fuel to cook food. Instead, we should use biogas or LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, for cooking. LPG means the cylinder, right, which we use at our homes. Yes. Some people use wood as fuel for cooking purpose. But instead of using wood as a fuel, we should try to use gas. Okay? As because for using wood as a fuel, people have to cut trees, right? Cut down trees. So to avoid that, we should try to use gas. Every one of us should plant trees and take care of them. Yes, so these are 4 ways how we can save trees. Okay, next one. Van Mahotsav is celebrated every year in July for 1 week in India. Lakhs of trees are planted all over the country. World Environment Day is observed all over the world on the 5th of June every year. On this day, people talk about ways to save the environment. And here one question arises, why we have to save the environment? It's because if we will not do so, then who will do? Right? If we will not save our environment, it will be unsafe for us to live in here. That is why we should save our environment. Yes. Now, next, moving to the next topic of this chapter, which is our environment. Our environment is made up of both living and non-living things. We depend on the environment for all our needs. So, environment, the word environment means our surrounding, including living things as well as non-living things. Yes, we get food, furniture, clothes, books, newspapers, and many more things from the environment. Many human activities are damaging the environment. As for example, smoke from factories and vehicles is making the air dirty. This dirty air can make us fall sick. Any undesirable change in the environment brought about by human beings that can cause harm or discomfort to human beings and other living organisms is called pollution. The substances that cause pollutions are called pollutants. Yes. So what do we get from our environment? We get everything, right? Like food, clothes, furniture that we need, books that we are reading, right? And then paper. All these things we get from our environment only. So, if we will not save our environment, then we will not be able to live here. That is why we need to save our environment. As because human activities are only damaging the environment. Human activities means there are factories or industries everywhere. Smoke coming out from those factories or industries are damaging air, or the waste products coming out, okay, they are damaging water. Yes, as because air, water also are also included in our environment. In that way, that means human activities are damaging the environment. Yes, and it is called what? Pollution. Pollution is undesirable change in the environment caused by human beings, which can cause harm or discomfort to human beings and also other living organisms, is called pollution. And the substances causing pollution are called pollutants. Yes. Okay. And there are four main types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. And about them we will learn in our next online class. With this, we are going to conclude today's class. Now let us recall what we have learned today. Today we started chapter number 13, Green and Clean Art, and there we discussed the topic importance of trees, how to save trees, and also about our environment. In our next class we will discuss about air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and also about biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste and how we can save our environment. There is a home assignment for today. You have to do this activity in your book using a pencil. Yes. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.